Here is Splash App Party and Group Games, Imposter, Charades, bunch of other games. If you just wanna some app on your phone for the group game, for the party, that's one of those apps you can try out. So here's find imposter, truth or dare, guess the word, charades, who's most likely to, who's got the bomb, forbidden words, werewolves, would you rather, and many other party games. So these are not complete board games, but like rather simple party games which you can just try out. And then you can then just so that's, and then you can also invite friends so to get this app, but then you can just go and create an account, get full access, 12 months, $18, weekly just $4, so super cheap. And then here you just have all of these apps. Pretty cool graphics, really nice design. And then you can just start game. So that's basically the idea, how you can just play it. I'm just showing you, super easy. And then you can see rules, how to play it. Each player draws a card, one player and does not know the secret word. All other players receive the same secret word. Players move across the board to complete tasks and gather clues. Discuss with other players and vote out the potential imposter at the end, win the game. So that's basically the idea. Pretty cool. And then just share it with friends again. If you want, you can upgrade. Super cheap price. And that's the idea. Really nice, minimalistic app. So try it out.